Good morning you guys, welcome to VLOGTOBER day 2. We accidentally slept in quite badly, which is not good because I think all the dry weather is in the morning, but I think we were tired from yesterday. But as you might be able to hear, I am running the shower outside just to see if there is any hot water, because I kind of would like to have a shower if I could. And it's not looking good so far because, yeah, I've already tried, so that's why I'm running it outside for a while, because it's not running hot yet. If not, then oh well. I'm going to get changed into my outfit, first outfit. Don't think I'm gonna wear too much makeup, so it shouldn't take me too long to get ready, and then we can head out. Making a makeshift hairdressing station. I'm gonna wash my hair over the kitchen sink. I know it's kind of gross, but the loo actually doesn't have a sink, so kitchen sink is the only option here. We've washed it out, so. We also don't have shampoo with us, so we're going to buy some, but we didn't. So we're going to use shower gel. So we're off. So the first look, I want to do wet hair. I am going to be a little bit damp for this morning. I've got I filled up my water bottle with some warm water as well, so I can kind of add to the effect should I dry out too much. You gotta do what you gotta do, guys, for the shop. But anyway, we're on our way. Where are we going, Zach? First?
I just a lizard. Cove and like Kinnan's Cove, Bennett's Cove.
Yeah, it's famous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite probably the most famous places in there.
We made it. It's looking rather gorgeous. So we've come down. It's looking incredible. Don't know if you guys can see. The camera seems to be showing it all weird. Yeah, looking crazy. Right, guys, we are leaving Lizard Cove. This is actually Lizard Cove.
This is
Kinnards. Kinnards, something like that.
Just down well, this is part of the peninsula.
Kind of wanted to go on the beach, but you have to traverse that large pile of rocks. So we thought, not in these clothes. We'll go to the next beach that is available to us, of which there are many. But yeah, got some nice pics, I think. So guys, we've arrived at Porth at the nice beach. It's actually quite a nice day. So it's nice weather. It's nice and warm. Hi my loves, so we have just finished doing a little tiny bit of shooting on the beach there. It's so nice. I kind of wish we could stop and chill for a bit and sit, but got a lot to do today. I think we are going to head back to the cottage now. I might make some s'mores, which is fun. I wanted really to do some pictures by the fire. There's an outdoor fire, but we need to pick up some s'mores ingredients first. And then I'm not really sure what we're going to do. So I need to edit Vlogtober, and we also need to eat dinner. Kind of wanted to go out for dinner, maybe to St Ives, but I need to prioritise editing Vlogtober because I don't know how quick the internet's going to be back at the house. So we will see how we go with that. Sorry I haven't been keeping you guys that updated today. It's just one of those things when you're trying to concentrate on about 6 different things at once. Because obviously when it's just me and Zach shooting, we don't have anyone on hand, check hair, check makeup, check how the clothes are sitting, so we have to go like back and forth all the time.
Location scouting on the go.
We're location scouting on the go. So we're trying to get like a high-end effect with just the 2 of us. It's such a nice afternoon. I mean, it's warm now. Yeah, I just said it'd be nice to like, it would have been nice to stop here for a bit because it is nice and chill. We got things to do, so we're gonna go. Flames. So we contacted our Airbnb host and we have hot water. Hooray! So we obviously don't have graham crackers in the UK, s'mores not being a British thing. So I've got a couple of options here. I googled it and people say that digestives are the most, are the closest to graham crackers. But I also got these, which are the thins, obviously, because digestives are thicker than graham crackers, I think. So I got these, and they have the chocolate on them, obviously, as well. So I'm going to try 2 versions. And when I googled it, people said that dairy milk buttons work nicely as like a nice little thin bit of chocolate. So I'm going to try this combination and this combination, and we'll see how we go. And Zach wanted Milky Bar buttons as well, but I reckon this will be too sweet. Zach and I have realised we're doing absolutely everything the wrong way around. We've had a couple of pre-dinner s'mores and we're going to have some more later. But I'm going to edit Vlogtober now because it needs to be done. And Zach's going to get started on proper adult dinner, and then we will maybe come back to the fire later on. I think he's going to use the fire actually. Hi my sweet angels. I've just finished editing. It's 5 to 9. I'm so sorry the vlog was late, you guys. It's just, I should have gotten up early to do it, so please berate me if you feel the need, but I was sleepy. I'm in the ultra fashionable outfit of one of my pyjama tops, this Unif hoodie that I was wearing yesterday, these massive Ray jeans, which you may have seen on my Instagram recently, because they're the comfiest bottoms that I brought. For some reason, I literally bring leggings or trackies or a pair of comfy shorts everywhere I go, apart from apparently on this trip. And we've got an outside loo, so it's like the worst possible trip for me to pick not to bring anything. And then I'm wearing Zach's shoes because they're easier to slip on enough. But we're going to go and cook some steaks and some mushrooms, apparently. Okay, I'm ready. Sizzle, sizzle. It's all go here now, guys. It is all go. Zach! What just happened?
Just a bit of flame goes in the oil.
Dinner is served. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It smells amazing. Ta-da! Zach did a good job cooking on the fire. Time to make the last s'mores of the evening. I've lost my mind. We have both come to the conclusion that the McVitie's thins, like the chocolate digestive thins, are definitely the best way to have s'mores. And then it's time maybe to try the shower now that it's got hot water, because it's also very nice and cozy and warm in here, which is nice. So Zach and I had very brief showers. One of us had to wait outside shining the phone torch into the shower whilst the other one showered with some slugs. But the water was warm and we're both feeling cleaner and fresher, which is good. So it is pretty much time to go to sleep. We're going to have a little chat about where we're going tomorrow. I'm going to decide which outfits to wear, and then it is time to hit the hay because it's been a long day. Vlogtober finally got itself uploaded, thank God. I came in just before the midnight mark. If I hadn't done that, I would have been really annoyed. So this is our last night in our cosy little cabin, which is a bit sad. Heading to Devon tomorrow. I think we're going to stop at a few more Cornish locations first, and then yeah, heading to Devon. Not straight to my grandma's, we're going to go to a kind of different area of Devon. We're going to go to Dartmoor, which is also very beautiful. So excited for that. So I'd be sad to leave our little cabin. It's been lovely. Thank you guys for watching today, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.